Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is August 2nd, 2018. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the futures taking a bit of a hit. They are trading down by about 14 points to 27.96 and 3/4 per contract. Futures are off the worst levels by just a touch here, but that doesn't mean we can't go lower. So all in all, markets are under pressure. We have lots of different variables out here causing this. You have Italian bond yields starting to creep higher. I believe they're up 14 basis points today. You also have trade wars, potential trade wars, tariffs and such. So that is causing the markets to unravel a little bit. And then you have the non-farm payroll report, which lingers tomorrow, which comes out tomorrow. So there's a lot out here today, and we have lots of stocks in the news. So let's get started here. We have earnings galore today. Let's take a look here first at Tesla, TSLA. Tesla right now trading at $330.80. The stock closed at $300.84. So this is a great pop higher for Tesla. When I did the little calculation last night after the close when this news came out, this stock could squeeze up to 340, so maybe even 342, 343. So give Tesla some run here. We'll see how it plays out. But again, there's lots of shorts in this name. So if this little squeeze happens, they can squeeze this up to maybe another 10, 12 points. So Tesla on the move today. Good pop there. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings a little bit later. Let's take a look at Royal Caribbean. RCL is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 108, closed at 109.99. So all in all, when I look at Royal Caribbean, it's trading down just a little touch here. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. I don't think there's a whole lot to do just yet, but definitely some support coming in around this 108.50. Briefly traded a little bit lower, but we'll keep an eye on it. No play on it yet. If Royal Caribbean gets down to 105, if it gets to 105.09, 105, pierce a 105, slightly pierced, there is a play there, but keep that on the radar for later. Let's take a look here at Kellogg's. Kellogg's trading at $68.35. Stock closed at $69.43. I don't think there's a whole lot to do here in Kellogg's right now. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Stock still has a lot of support around $65.50. Also, it might even have support around the 66 area as well. So again, nothing to do yet in Kellogg's. Let's take a look at Wayfarer. I think we're going to have gap levels for this one. Ooh, this has recovered quite a bit. Stock trading at 104.69. So this has definitely come back a little bit off of its lows. Did close at 107.23. I'm going to still put the gap levels out there. We'll see if it gets down to them, but I did have a nice level down at those lows. Next up, we're going to take a look at Teva Pharmaceuticals. They reported earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at $21.95. I'll have gap levels ready to go for this name. This stock has been a pretty good winner over the last several months, but that is a pretty good little fall today. So again, Teva trading just underneath the 22 mark, and we'll see how this plays out. But I'll have levels ready to go for this name. Next up, I want to take a look at Wynn Resorts. WYNN. The stock is getting hit a little bit. Closed at $159.99. Now trading at $152.48. You could see after hours yesterday, stock did go down into the 144 handle, but it has come back some. I'll have levels ready to go for Wynn Resorts a little bit later. Sticking with the casino theme, we'll go with MGM. They reported earnings as well. Stock closed at $28.51. They're now trading at $27.95. So no harm done really for MGM. We'll keep it on the radar a little bit later today. I see a nice little quick level at $26, right around that area. If it does get down there, there is support around there right now. Next up, we want to take a look at Holly Frontier. HFC is the ticker symbol. This is an oil refinery name. Stock is trading at $69. It closed at $73.81. So this is a nice little downtick. I'm not seeing a whole lot to do just yet in the name, but there is a lot of support just underneath $65. So if this gets down to around say 64.75, 64.85. There is a play there. Keep Holly Frontier on the radar today. Next up, we want to take a look at Yum Brands. Yum Brands trading right now at 77.45. The stock closed at 79.45. So we'll see how that plays out. I have levels for Yum Brands that could come into play. Again, nothing to do just yet, but we'll keep them on the radar. Next up, we want to take a look at Yum Brands China, YUMC. That is a ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at 34.50. This closed at 35.64, so there's not a whole lot to do. I don't see a lot of downside. Yesterday there was some news out that I believe Third Point Capital was looking to take an investment in Yum Brands China. Stock spiked up, then it came back in. So again, we'll see how it plays out. Next up, we want to take a look at Qorvo. This is in the Apple ecosystem, QRVO. Stock is trading at 79.35, closed at 82.18. Not much I would do at the moment. If this stock got down to the 71 handle, though, that is an area where you would get interested. So we'll keep that on the radar, and we'll see how that one plays out. Let's take a look next up at Cirrus Logic, CRUS. This is also part of the Apple ecosystem. Stock is trading at 41.50, closed at 43.18. Only level that interests me in this name would probably be down around 38.50. Gets down to 38.50. I think there could be enough support there for a play, but we'll have to look at that one once the opening bell rings. Let's go to Tripadvisor. This is getting hit. Stock is really getting tripped up. It's trading at $50.20, closed at $57.61. Ouch, that's ugly. I'll have levels ready to go for this one. We'll look to play this one this morning in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Every day seems like a blockbuster day right now. Yesterday as well. We're just really knocking the cover off the ball. This has been a great 2018. There's great volatility out here today with the futures trading lower. So again, come on over if you haven't done so. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We have gold down $2.80. We have crude oil down 29 cents. So right now, commodities are not doing all that much, but they are under a little bit of pressure. And of course, when that happens, we usually have the U.S. dollar a little bit stronger, and that is the case this morning. The dollar trading at 94.77 on the index. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You see what it's all about. Trade right alongside of us. We'll have levels out there ready to go this morning before the opening bell. Have a wonderful trading day, everyone, and we'll see you all on the charts.